Howdy, and welcome to Fuego Volcano livestream. Here down we have the time 7:39, 16:39, so it's live. I just wanted to prove you that. Now we go back in time until it's night. And there is obviously a thunderstorm going on there. And our plasma ball is back. Now you can see it sometimes it stops and it's like a little bit sketchy. But nonetheless, there's our plasma ball once again. Haven't seen it for a while, but now it's back. So I took a little screen video, which we have here. Here's date and time. And here's our plasmoid. And let's just have a look at that for a while. You can let it sink in, make your own opinions about is that a lens flare or not. I doubt it is a lens flare because it's not there all the time. And since this is a screen video, we can zoom in a bit to that. It's moving. Sometimes it disappears. Of course, in this video recording I made, it doesn't disappear because I wanted to show you. So that's the reason. You can see there's like, again, we have those streamers leaving in really fast pace, like we had in the last time. Maybe I have to move it into the middle a bit more. There is at one point even this black dot appearing. There are several streamers leaving it. So that's a 5-minute video I made, screenshotting with a cell phone. Here once again you can see something leaving. There it is, going into that direction. See it? There's another one too. So I made some screenshots from this screen video and tried to enhance it. Now it's very well visible. Now let's have a look at those. Yeah, do those screenshotting stuff. Check it out. But let's start at the beginning. So that's just a screenshot, and all the pictures, it's always first the screenshot and then one enhanced version. I don't own any Photoshop or whatever equipment. Everything is done just with a basic cell phone. So no magic or whatsoever. I even thought, should I make a video while I do what I do, but then I thought it's just too boring. Here is the object. Next picture is an enhanced version of the same picture. This is how it looks after enhancement. Next picture. Similar. That's just a screenshot from the screen video from the live stream, and I just made basic enhancements to that. Once. You can adjust the lighting and all these kind of things just to a certain degree by making it once. This is why I think it's important to tell you I just did it once. So that's the same picture enhanced. And we already can see some structure in it. Next one. It looks that we have one leaving there. One of those plasmoid bubbles, or however you want to call them. And that looks interesting. There are some lines in it. I don't know if that's just from the digital camera, how it processes the picture. I don't know. Maybe the lines are there in the structure itself. There is also dots, and they seem to be connected to that. And it took in some takes, it had somehow like a fish-like shape. You will see it, you will probably understand what I mean with a fish-like shape. It could be also this kind of bow shock or whatever. Magnetic fields wrapping around the thing. And here are those black dots I mentioned earlier. And they are just for a brief moment there, they're just in one frame and they're gone. Yeah, and just for that you know that's the eruption itself. So this is not lava. This is no city in the background. No drone or whatsoever. Because I think this could be really very big. This plasmoid structure. This could be easily 200 meters in diameter. Really hard to say, but it's not small. And then it took a little bit of different shape. And actually this was quite persistent. It has been there for quite some time. But I don't have so much memory space and time and all these kind of things that I can make a big analysis of this whole thing. I lack of the equipment for that. I would need a bunch of memory cards for my phone. A pile. This is what I meant with the fish-like shape. Yeah, it's probably not a fish. But it seems there is one leaving again. And they're always somehow leaving in the same angle, which is very interesting. But now we just have one big bright ball of light. We also have two black dots, or even three, four. However you want to watch it. Whatever they are. And it seems to be somehow in a straight line connected to the volcano. This was maybe the straightest line I've ever drew on a cell phone. Usually they aren't straight at all. Yeah, the form is moving, or like it's all the time a bit different. It's alive. And here we have also some connection to the ground, probably, which might anchor the whole structure into the place where it is through geometry, through the geometry of the electromagnetic fields and the structure of the mountain. I will put a link below to the video. I recommend you, if you want to watch the live stream and scroll back to where this is, do it today, because tomorrow it might be gone. And obviously there's some clouds rolling in there. Yeah, obviously I didn't do. Now let's make it with this one so you can see what I do. That's just basic phone program. I always start first with the contrast. Put it to the maximum. And then we play around with the exposure. And then with the brightness. Maybe we try with this version of that. There seem to be two rings. No, maybe not. Maybe they are. So that's the whole thing I do to the pictures. Yeah, that looks interesting. That's a screenshot from the whole picture. So around midnight, there's action going on. 23:55:07. It looks like that. 2 seconds later, it already looks like that. Much brighter. They aren't as mind-blowing as the elderly ones I made. I show you quickly those two. So these are a few months old. Months. And I'm not exactly sure, is this green thing or whatever? Does it mean anything? But here we have it. That's huge. That's much bigger than we just saw today. They are very interesting. Yeah, maybe it's a Chesterhedron. And here, once again, we have the streamers leaving. And they are just rising upwards towards the sky. Yeah, they're amazing. Nature is amazing. Where is that? That's a nice one. That's huge. There's a whole lot of energy in that circuit. But anyway, I'll leave it here. Thanks. Bye.